How to fix Chromebook won't turn on. 1. Ensure your Chromebook is fully charging. Note, you better replace the battery as well. Hint, run battery_test command. 2. Perform a hard restart by pressing the refresh key and power button on your keyboard. 3. Remove unused external devices from your laptop. 4. Log out your Google account via the http://myaccount.google.com page. Force your Chromebook to turn on and sign in. Use your Chromebook as a guest user. 5. Update Chrome OS. Path, Settings Update Chrome OS. 6. Backup your data and Factory reset / Powerwash your Chromebook. Path, Settings Advanced Reset Settings. 7. Check and uninstall any recently installed apps, after you force your Chromebook to turn on. 8. Go to Chromebook Help Forum. And / or contact your Chromebook manufacturer / repair store.